Hello everyone, welcome to Metaverse Insider. Do you imagine if internet suddenly vanishes one day? The internet continuously evolves and gradually reaching a metaverse-like potential which may drastically affect how human interacts with each other. The metaverse is vast, but it does not have to be complicated. These environments are virtual, but the emotions are real. Disclaimer, this video is only for educational purposes. It does not constitute recommendation for investment. Metaverse Insider is not paid for this video. 11 ways Metaverse will change the world in the future. Number 1. Student classrooms will be inside the Metaverse. The Metaverse shines on the use of online technology, digital tools, and creates worlds through virtual reality. The Metaverse brings immersive experience that appeal to and engage with many learners of all ages, especially those in higher education who can financially invest more into their learning experiences. It is a whole new world where education meets the Metaverse. According to data in 2020, the global e-learning market actually passed $250 billion. In 2022 and beyond, most e-learning is done through video calls and interactive slideshows. Major e-learning companies are designing educational and engaging video games for students. Classrooms in the metaverse will be able to provide almost all that a classroom in real life can give. Students can use the virtual pens or virtual keyboards to type notes on. Students can also raise their hands and ask questions, walk to the front of the class, and write something on the board. Some countries already use the metaverse for classes during these prolonged lockdowns. Schools would conduct metaverse-based classes and develop new curriculums based on augmented reality and virtual reality. Students would be allowed to explore club activities with avatars. Well, do you imagine how it looks like to have a field trip in the metaverse? Number 2. The rise of the digital real estate in the metaverse. Contrary to our physical land, the virtual lands in the metaverse are rapidly increasing and demand is rising. The metaverse has become very popular with online investors and crypto enthusiasts that make the demand for virtual land in the 3D digital world grow hugely. Investors are paying millions of dollars for virtual land in the metaverse, and the market has similarities with real-world real estate where you can buy, sell, and rent it out in the metaverse. Some real estates in the metaverse are actually being sold for millions of dollars. Many people buy real estate in the metaverse as their future investment. The digital real estate ecosystem has become massively popular in the metaverse world. If you do purchase an NFT metaverse land, make sure you fully understand the land's associated project and consider the investment risks involved. Number 3. Cryptocurrency will thrive and rule in the metaverse. Web 3.0 will be the foundation of the metaverse, and it will consist of blockchain-enabled decentralized applications that support for an economy of user-owned crypto assets and data. Most digital stores in the metaverse will accept all major cryptocurrencies. Using cryptocurrency will be the cheapest, easiest, and convenient way to do shopping spree in the metaverse. You can use your cryptocurrency at whichever store you do shopping regardless of country the company is based in. You will obviously want to carry cryptocurrency in the metaverse. Your crypto wallet will also hold your metaverse-only digital goods such as your avatar, avatar clothing, avatar animation, virtual decorations, and accessories. Although the metaverse not fully realized, technological foundations like blockchain and crypto assets are progressing and steadily being developed. Number 4. Advertising will be done in the metaverse. Just like the internet of today, you will see advertisements in the metaverse. The metaverse enables marketers to inject their brands into that immersive experience. Instead of seeing famous actors or models in the metaverse, a clothing fashion or brand, for example, can allow each of us to try on their latest looks. There are several ways that business brands can advertise in the metaverse, such as event placement. The metaverse is the next iteration of social media for brands, and this time, companies and marketers are eyeing on it. What marketers need to understand is that Metaverse is not just a trendy new thing. It seems like it is here to stay and is making its way to be the next big thing. Number 5. Shopping will be done in the Metaverse. E-commerce has risen at high velocity in the last few decades. Despite the convenience and practicality brought by online shopping, e-commerce is headed toward a more immersive shopping experience. Retail has sprung everywhere online, and it has been at the forefront of increasing interest in the Metaverse. Everyone is building its own digital interactive space and is start to imagine what shopping in the Metaverse might look like. Shopping is not only buying things. It is about the experience in the community that springs around it. This can be experienced in the Metaverse. It might be soon that you might buy digital shoes and shirt to wear on your digital date in a digital world. Interesting. Many of the world's largest fashion brands, for example, are already actively experimenting with digital-only clothing collections which are worn by influencers. With more interest than ever in the Metaverse, business brands from every category are excited and eager to join in the Metaverse shopping spree. Number 6. Gaming will be in the Metaverse blockchain technology. Blockchain gaming is a technology where the digital items inside video games like collectibles, weapons, cosmetic skins are real-world assets in the form of non-fungible tokens. Blockchain gaming allows gamers to be rewarded with cryptocurrencies for playing, while NFTs are used to purchase digital items and real estate. While gaming is the biggest example of the Metaverse, we're still in the early stages of blockchain gaming. They also see the growth of NFTs, virtual experiences, and decentralized communities as being a defining feature in the coming years. Given that the Metaverse didn't really pick up until the end of 2021, this would suggest that blockchain-based games and their metaverses might have brighter future. Number 7. Most businesses meetings will be held in the Metaverse. Bill Gates predicts that within 2 to 3 years, most business meetings will be held in the Metaverse. This will be save a lot of travel and hotel expenses for the company. Company can conduct meetings while sitting face-to-face inside the Metaverse. The avatars will be the people representations in the Metaverse. Presentation can be shown on a big screen in the Metaverse and with a whiteboard with vast space that can be utilized and contents can be easily saved. In the very near future, Metaverse business meetings can be conducted in the environment of your choice. In fact, you can have your meetings in the other planet or universe if you want to. Number 8. Metaverse future of work. Metaverse technology promises to produce imaginative and creative ways for people to collaborate and work online. It is critical that companies start to understand the profound ways in which this new technological paradigm is set to radically impact on the future of work. Metaverses promises to create more realistic and therefore more productive, immersive meetings made possible with 3D virtual reality headsets. For instance, Meta already rolling the Horizon Workroom and Microsoft is also rolling out Mesh for Microsoft Teams. Because of some jobs available online with the Metaverse technology, it is easier for people to supplement or replace their primary income. This shift in opportunities and attitudes around work and income has a direct impact on traditional employment. Organizations need to prepare for new job roles that do not currently exist. Number 9. Most on-the-job training will be done inside the Metaverse. The Metaverse could bring some benefits to do immersive on-the-job training. With the development of some true-to-life simulations, employees will be able to gain benefits from the Metaverse. The Metaverse could train people on how to respond to emergency situations that are potential in their line of work. Medical workers, police, firefighters, pilots, or any other profession that is liable to be exposed to dangerous situations could safely benefit from the on-the-job training in the Metaverse. Number 10. Investments are pouring in the Metaverse. The Metaverse may not be in its full potential until maybe 5 to 10 years from now, but obviously there are investment opportunities along the way. One notable company is Meta, which has done the most to push the idea into the mainstream and is investing heavily into augmented reality and virtual reality devices. Other companies such as Apple, Samsung, Microsoft have their own strategy on investing into this arena. Number 11. Metaverse will merge augmented reality. With the development of the Metaverse, it is expected that it will utilize augmented reality where through AR glasses, you will be able to see holograms of the Metaverse with the background of the real world. This will make smoother interaction not only during business meetings but also while socializing, educating, learning in the Metaverse. Bottom line, the metaverse is still in its premature stage and is expected to be fully mainstream 5 to 10 years from now. As we previously experienced during the internet introduction in the 90s, that not many people expected how the internet could drastically change our lives. It should be wise to anticipate that the metaverse may drastically change the world in the future, and that future is already present today. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. I do hope you learned from this video. See you in the metaverse.